everybody, happy holidays. Today on Make Your Mark, we are making Loteria Ornaments. I make them every year for Christmas, and I can't wait to get started on these. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. You know how much I love it when you pop in and say happy holidays. Are you ready? Let's make some Loteria ornaments.
The traditional Loteria has its roots in 15th century Italy, where it traveled to Spain. The Spanish brought the game to Mexico in the 18th century around 1769. Loteria is a traditional game of chance. It's the Spanish word for lottery and is often referred to as Mexican bingo, where illustrated cards depicting the Mexican aesthetic replace bingo balls. In 1887, French entrepreneur Don Clemente Jacques published the Don Clemente Gallo version of the Loteria game with 10 boards and 80 cards. These games would be included in care packages for soldiers, but it wasn't until they returned home and played the game with their families that Loteria became popular.
I'm going to leave a link for the pattern and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you next week. Bye!